Hello everyone, welcome to part 182 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we are going to continue working on admin, subadmin, role and permission that we have started in last video. And in last video we have seen that we able to show the admin, subadmin in admin panel. We able to update the status for them. We can make them active or inactive, and also we can able to delete them as well. So in this video we are going to work on add admin subadmin feature. Okay, so we can able to add number of admins and subadmins from the admin panel, so that thing can be possible. So we are going to start. First of all, we are going to create the route for admin and subadmin form. Okay, so there is a kind of form like we have done the products form. Here we can able to add the add product or edit product, we have done in add brand. We can able to add or edit brand. So in the same way we can able to add the admin subadmin, and we are going to add the common route once again like we have do for other modules as well. Okay, so same route we are going to use for both add and edit. So I'm going to close the earlier files and we'll open the web.php file, and we'll create the route straight away after the routes that we have created earlier. So I'm going to create the route after this one. So here I'm going to add the route match. We are going to make it get and post both because we want to post the data from the user as well. So both get as well as post. So in here I'm going to take the URL like add edit admin subadmin. This one admin controller, and here we are going to add edit admin subadmin like this. Okay, so now this function we are going to create under admin controller at the last public function admin subadmin that will be returned to the admin subadmin blade file that we are going to create in our next step, and that will be created in under admins, and then the folder that is admins underscore subadmins, and under that add edit admin subadmin. This is the file that we are going to create underscore subadmin. Okay, so like this. So this is the file that we are going to create inside, like we have created the earlier file here inside admin underscore subadmins, and this file we are also going to create. Okay, so I'm going to create the file like new terminal add folder. Here in Mac we can create the file like this, touch then add edit admin underscore subadmin .play.php file. Okay, so now the file must have been created. Let's see. Yeah, the file has been created. Now we are going to open this file, add edit admin subadmin. Okay, so we can get the design from some other page like add edit product. Okay, so we are going to copy this one and we'll paste here, and then going to do changes here, like in place of home it will come here admin subadmin, and see this is the form that we want to update. Admin form, and instead of product data we are going to use the admin data here, that we will still need to add there in function, no issue. Okay, so here title, and here we are going to see, we are going to show few of the fields here. See here, we are going to show here name, type, mobile, email, and password, as well as the image. Okay, so few of the fields we are going to show here. Okay, so first of all we are going to remove the unwanted data as well, side by side, and like this one. So instead of product name, we are going to show here the admin name. So here as well we are going to make it admin name. Okay, so in the same way we are going to show here the admin mobile after that, and here as well admin mobile, and after that we are going to show the admin email. Okay, so I'm going to make it here admin, and here I'm going to show email and the admin email, and here also we can make here admin email. So after email we are going to show the admin type. So admin type can be subadmin or admin. Okay, there will be no super admin, because super admin is one, and that we can't add or edit, okay, as well as delete. So here for we are going to add the admin type. Okay, so admin type, but here we are going to have the select. Okay, so we can get the select from some other module here, like this one, and we can have the select here, can replace this one with this one. Okay, like this. So here we are going to add here instead of this one we are going to add admin underscore type. Okay, so here I'm going to add admin underscore type. Okay, so admin type. Okay, fine. So now see, this for each loop is not required because there are only two values. Okay, so there can be subadmin or there can be admin. So first is I'm going to add here admin. So if admin data type is not empty and type is equal to admin, then we are going to select this one. Okay, then here we are going to select admin. So in the same way we are going to have here subadmin value. So if the admin data type is equal to subadmin, then we are going to show here sub hyphen admin. Okay, so this is the admin type. So after that admin image. Okay, so I'm going to show you one thing that we have done in the beginning. See, the admin can able to update its own details, okay, from this admin form that we have done in the beginning of this series. Okay, so admin can able to update his name, mobile, and image, but admin email and type is not possible. And the same thing we are going to do here. See, email and type is not possible, but admin can able to delete if the admin by mistake added the person as admin, then he can able to he can delete that and can add again. Okay, so image also we are having here. So the same we are going to copy from here, this one, update admin details. I'm going to open this page here, update admin details, and from here I am going to copy that image. Okay, so this is the admin image. So to show, we can have this one as well. Okay, so first of all, here I'm going to take that admin image admin. Okay, so I'm going to remove all other unwanted data here. Product weight, and this is the product main image. So admin image, we can have here admin image, and here we have the similar kind of admin image. Okay, so I'm going to take the admin image here. So choose file is also fine, admin image, and this one I am going to add there. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one we have copied from there, and there is no recommended image site. We can remove this one. Fine. So this is the admin image, and one more field is required, and that is the admin password. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 fields are there and one is left, so we can copy any of the field from here, and here we can able to add, and that is the admin password, and this one will be admin password. So all other we are going to remove all other. Okay, so we can remove everything else. Okay, so here we need to update in function as well. Here we need to see there are two things here that can be passed here. First one is if the data is coming, then we are going to pass it in $request. Okay, so it will always be there in form submission, and one is the $id can be null. If the $id is null, it means the admin id is not coming. So in that case we are going to add, we are going to assume that is the is for addition of the admin subadmin, and if in case the id is coming up, okay, then it means the admin is trying to update the admin details, or okay, update the admin or subadmin details. So here we are going to add the condition if $id is equal to empty. Okay, then see we are going, it means add admin subadmin. Okay, so in this case $title will be add admin subadmin, title of the page in admin form. Okay, admin subadmin, and admin data new admin. Okay, and our message we are going to take in advance, like admin subadmin added successfully, Okay, so in case of if id is coming, then I'm going to copy this one. So here edit admin subadmin. Okay, so title is edit. So in this case admin data will be from the admin model. We are going to find with the id to get the details of the admin who is trying to whose account we are going to add. Okay, so id will be like this, and after that here we are going to add updated successfully, and the same title and admin data we are going to send in the blade file that we have just created. Correct. Here we are going to send one thing is admin data as well as the title. Okay, so first of all the title and then admin data. So now see, check once here. Okay, already remove unwanted data, and now we are going to check once that there must be no product because we have copied from the product. See here, so here it will come like add-edit-admin-subadmin. So same thing will come up here as well. In case of add, the URL is add-edit-admin-subadmin, and in case of edit, the URL will be add-edit-admin-subadmin slash the admin data ID. So because we want to pass the ID in case of edit. Okay, so see here it will come admin underscore type. Rest everything is fine, so we can now try opening it. Admin subadmin, try open. Okay, so this file add edit admin underscore subadmin not found. We are going to check here. Add edit admin subadmin is there, but still it is not found. Let's see where is the issue. We are going to debug our code. So okay, I think there is first of all we are going to check the code test I that it is coming here or not. Okay, see, it is coming here, so our function is working fine. And now see, it is going here, so it is inside admins folder. First of all we are going to check it that it is going. See, here we can see that it's not the admins, it's the admin folder, but we can double check here. Okay, yeah, it is the admin folder. Okay, so inside admin folder admin underscore subadmins, that is seems to be fine. See, admins underscore subadmins, that seems to be fine. Now we're going to check here, refresh. Now it is coming fine. You can see add admin subadmin form here. Okay, so now see, this admin password we need to move here. Okay, and let's move it at that. So we can do one thing here. We are going to close and start the close this one, and we'll start once again. I think that will be now fine. We are going to check where is the issue, design issue. Best way is to use the formatting. The code is not formatted, so that's why we are going to format it. is the website. HTML. This is a website that we can use for formatting the test. See, now it looks really better. Okay, so now we can able to correct it. Admin fine. Okay, so admin email, that is also fine. We are going to check here. Here seems to be the issue. Form group. Okay, so here see here input group. Okay, so here we can see this one is closing, div is starting and closing as well. What is this? We can remove this one, and also this if condition we can remove, and we can add. See, this one is not required, and we can add it here. Okay, see, choose file, or we can do one thing here. We can have the code from here as well. That's simple enough. Code from here as well, we can pick from here as well. Okay, this one input group. See, when it stuck somewhere. Okay, so we need to spend time to resolve the issues. We never know where it gets stuck. I'm going to use it still seems to be. We can do one more thing here. We can put it inside div. Okay, so here the form group is closing, and this one the another form group. Okay, so we have so many form groups in one. Okay, sorry, we are changes here, not this one, only this one. Okay, so here we need to check it out. See, here we're going to add first of all break here. Nothing is happening, so I'm going to put inside div. Nothing is happening, so no issue. We can remove this custom file input group, form group we can add. Form group is already there after form group, and then there is no requirement, I think, input group and custom file. Okay, so we can remove this one. And now okay, let me try input type file. Okay, choose file. I think choose file is also not required. Okay, so that is enough. One label, then input. Okay, so this one, and after that this one, and then this form group is required to close. Okay, and then this one, fine. And there are one form group, and this one we are just required to close like this. Okay, so first check it. Admin image. Okay, so here admin image, still it is not showing. Input type file. Okay, so that thing is required. One second, this one. So now, okay, so and for admin image, this label for admin image, that is fine. Label, but here label also gone away. So after making some effort, I able to correct like this. Okay, so now see, these things do take time. See, I am not coding this front end development and CSS and all these kind of design kind of things. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, so it takes bit time, but now finally it seems to be fine. See, admin name, admin email, admin mobile, admin type, and admin image and admin password. Okay, so now if I will try to add the admin subadmin, that record we want to save. Okay, so for that we need to update that form once again. Okay, so see here, first of all make sure that we have the correct, like admin name, email, okay, everything we are having, password also we are having, so we can update the function here once again. So here we can have that admin controller. We are already having one thing, we can copy that. We have that update admin details. Okay, so this is really helpful for us. This post method is really helpful that we are going to use here. Okay, so this one post method we are going to use here, and we will add now all those that we are required. Okay, so first thing is that we want to compare. First of all, we are going to check the values, that what values are coming. Okay, so first of all, see, I'm going to add one admin, like okay, with my name like Amit, and here I'm going to make it admin email will be like amit@yahoo.mail.com. Mobile is 9812345678, and here admin, and I'm going to have password 123456. Okay, see, password we are going to use dots. Okay, so no issue. See here, now it is coming here, complete details. See, it is adding the current admin image. Okay, if you will not add any image, it will pick the current image. Okay, if you will add the new image, then it is going to pick that. So the first thing is we are going to check whether the admin email does not already exist. Okay, so that thing is very crucial. First of all, we are going to check if see, if $id is equal to empty. First of all, we are going to check that id is empty, it means it is for add. So we are going to add a check for admin count. We are going to count the admin where we are going to compare its email with the email data admin email. Okay, and if the count, if $admin count is greater than 0, then we are going to show the flash message. Here we are going to show the error message here, like admin subadmin already exists, okay, like this. And redirect, we are going to redirect back to admin subadmin page, admin subadmin. Okay, so this is the first condition. Okay, so I'm going to uncomment this one. So after that we are going to check the rules: admin name, admin mobile, admin image. Okay, and after those rules we are going to upload the image as well. Okay, admin, if the admin image is coming, then we are going to update the image like we have done earlier as well. So after that, see, instead of update admin details, we are going to update this syntax. Okay, because it must be for both add and edit, so it will not work like this. Okay, we will not always update, we can add the admin subadmin as well. So here we are going to add $admin data in image. In image field we are having this image name. Okay, so in name we are having that name from the form, admin form itself. Okay, so that is coming in $data. We can check here, it is coming in admin_name. Okay, so after that mobile, so after that see, email and type. See, email and type we will only add if the id is empty. Okay, if it is for add. Okay, $id equal to empty, then only we will add this one. See, I'm going to copy this one and we are going to make it email, and with email as well as type. Okay, in case of add, not in case of edit, because once we have added the admin or subadmin, we can't able to edit that type for them. Okay, we can't make admin to subadmin or subadmin to admin. Okay, for that we need to delete that and add it again for the security purpose. So one thing more, if password is not empty, then only we will update. Okay, so here is not empty, then only we are going to update the password. And password we are going to update, we are going to decrypt that password, then only we can able to update that admin_password. Okay, so finally we are going to save it, admin data save. And here message, we are already having that message, success message. Okay, message we are already defined earlier on, so that message we are going to display, and we are going to redirect in admin subadmin page under admin subadmin. Okay, so let's add one admin here, but before that we can do like password, we can make it password, and for email we can use the type as email. Okay, and we can use the required for some of the main things here as well. Okay, so these things you can do, and you can go back, and now see, now this one these details we are going to add it. Okay, so once again I'm going to refresh here, and I'm going to add here admin name Amit Gupta, admin mobile is 9812345678, and here I'm going to make it like amit@yopmail.com, and I'm going to make it admin type as admin, and I'm going not choosing any image right now. 123456 is the password, then submit, and see, error message has come up. Okay, let's see. Dollar data password undefined index password. We are going to check why this error message has come up. Okay, so here close the unwanted files. Admin password, so here admin password is fine, but it is showing undefined index. Okay, because here we need to edit admin underscore password, that's why I'm going to do Control R for refreshing. Then now going to check, see we able to add, but here 0. Okay, so we are going to check here. We are going to delete this one there. We need to update the structure. See, auto increment is not there, so we are going to add the auto increment here in field. Okay, then it will work fine. See, okay, update its auto increment. Now it is table has been altered successfully, so I'm going to make it okay, so now I'm going to check once again. I'm going to add once again, add admin subadmin. Now I'm going to add Amit Gupta, 9812345678, and amit@yopmail.com, and admin type is admin, and here let's me take some pic as well. I'm going to update like this one. Okay, and admin password is 123456, then submit. Okay, so now you can see that we able to add it. Okay, admin subadmin added successfully, and here you can see that we able to add the admin. Okay, and status is by default is disabled. We can update the status here. Okay, but we will first check here in okay, so it is seems to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to make it status active, and after making the status active I will try to log in with this admin. So let's log out, and we'll try to log in with this new admin 123456 and sign in, and see I can able to log in with this admin as well. So finally I able to add the admin. Okay, so now I am going to add the subadmin as well. Like I will make the Rahul rahul@yopmail.com. so I'm going to his mail mobile is this one, so type is subadmin, and not adding the image right now. 123456 set password for it, and see here I able to add the Rahul, and now I am going to see if I will not update the status I can't able to log in like this one. Rahul@yopmail.com. see if I will try to log in, see I can't able to log in. Okay, so here invalid email or password, so I need to go in admin as first of once again, so that I can make that subadmin active 23456. Okay, so let make that subadmin active. Okay, now I'm going to make it active now in Ajax. Okay, instantly we make it active. Now I'm going to try again rahul@yopmail.com. so now I will try 123456. let's see now. See, now I able to log in with Rahul, and here you can see the Rahul and the image of Rahul as well. We can go there. See, that is the subadmin, so that's why we don't have the access. That person can only check its own admin details from here. He can able to check his image and other details, but he can't go there in admin subadmin section, because this is the subadmin, that condition we have added earlier. Okay, so now we will log in with the admin@admin.com once again, and here we can able to access the Rahul information. Okay, so here so we can work on edit as well. So I think that is better if we will do the edit part in next video. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, so I will try to see first correct add edit admin subadmin 5. It is coming 404. Here we need to check add edit admin subadmin. Okay, so we need to define here id as well, and id may come or may not come. Okay, if in case id come, then we will assume it is for edit admin. Okay, so here we need to show all the details, and for showing all details we need to pass that admin details. Okay, so I'm going to close this one as this one, and now I will pass the admin details here. Okay, see, we have the admin data here we are passing the admin data. Okay, so it must be there. Okay, so we need to check once admin data. Okay, so let's see here, let's try to debug this one, that admin data is coming or not. See, admin data is coming here. We are going to check in some other way. Admin data is equal to this before something good. Okay, so we are going to check here. See here. Okay, so the admin data is coming up. Okay, but here we want to see, and for that I think we need to convert the admin data to array. Okay, so let it convert to array. Okay, so this one we can add here like this, and now okay, so this one also we can add here, but we can disable as well. Now we can check that we have the values there. Still we don't have. Let's see here, value is if not empty admin data admin name. So we need to debug here as well. Okay, so why we are not having the data here, so let us debug here as well. Here it is coming. Okay, so here, okay, fine. Now so see, we have actually given the wrong data here. See here, instead of this admin name, here it must come name only then it will come, because in database it is name. Okay, so here in the same way, it's instead of admin mobile it must be mobile, instead of admin email it must be email. Okay, so admin data type is fine, admin data image. Okay, so that I think image is here instead of, okay, yeah, so image is there, admin image here image, but here okay, that is fine, no issue. We need to take it like this. Okay, so here admin password. See, no use of this one, we need to remove this one. See, password, okay, like this. And here also we can't have this one, so we can remove this one as well. So now it seems to be fine. Now we can have all the data, you can see. So in case of audit, we are going to disable these two fields, okay, because we can't able to access these fields in case of audit, okay. So make sure we can able to make them disabled, okay. So in case of admin email, whenever there is admin data id is coming, okay, so in that case, see here, if dollar admin data id is not empty, then we are going to disable this one, else we are going to make it read only, okay, else we are going to make it required, okay, required in case of add, okay, in case of audit it must be disabled. See, okay, in case of audit it must be disabled, but in case of add we need to give the admin email, okay. So the same thing we are going to do with the type as well, okay, in like this. So in case of type as well, we are going to do the same thing here. Now it seems to be fine. See, we can't able to update email as well as the type, but we can able to update the name as well as mobile, okay, and password as well. See, Rahul Gupta, I'm going to update the name, mobile I want to make it this one. Click on submit. Okay, so some issue is coming, attempt to assign property. So let's see. So we need to find that why this error is coming. See, a lot of errors comes if we will do such kind of coding. So don't worry, this is the part of coding. Such kind of errors do come, but we need to resolve one by one, okay. So now in case of post, I want to see that what data is actually coming, so that we can able to correct it, okay. We required to debug. See, admin password is not coming at all, and current admin image is coming, and where the issue is coming. So let's see once again. So where the issue exactly is coming, issue is coming in image, okay. So it is not able to get the image here, so we need to check once that what is the issue here. So assign property image of known object, okay. So once again I'm going to check that what is coming in image here. Image name is coming current admin image, okay, but no image is coming there, okay. So fine, dollar image name. So we need to debug, we need to check here once that what is coming here after this one. Echo dollar image name, let's see. See, okay, so name is coming here, but after this one it is not assigning this admin data image name, then name, then mobile, okay. And see, if I will take this one after this condition, then something happens. Yeah, then the error comes, okay. So we need to check it. Dollar image name, we not able to update in admin data. So let's see. admin data here in case of edit. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to comment it for the time being. Okay, and then we will see. So, okay, so this one now I'm going to remove and we'll check it, and now I'm going to do it once again. See, now it is updating. Okay, so see, the data is also coming up. Okay, so I'm going to check its image is also coming. Okay, so now you can see that I able to update its name and everything. Okay, so here I'm going to check once again. I'm going to make it Rahul once again with mobile 97000, and with image I'm going to make this one, and we'll click on submit and see it's updated successfully. And see, we able to rename the name now from Rahul Gupta to Rahul once again, and mobile number also, and we able to update its image as well. Let's see. So I want to update its image as well. I want to make this one. See, submit, and let's see that I able to update the image. No, still the image I can't able to update the image. So I need to check once that why I can't able to update the image here. Okay, so see, I'm going to check it once again, and here as well. So we are going to check this issue. See, the issue is it is showing the current admin image here, not the image that is related to the admin subadmin that we are clicking. Okay, see here, if even if you will open any of the, like if I will open the John, it is showing the current admin image. Okay, so we need to update the condition here. Okay, so see here, in case of Rahul image must come. So we need to open the update the condition here, like here in array, that particular image is coming, like $admin data is the array, and we are going to check its image is actually coming or not. Okay, so we are going to update this one, and in this array we are going to check the image. If not empty, then we are going to show this image in place of this one. We are going to show this one. Okay, so here I am going to update here this one. Okay, and in case of current admin image as well, we are going to have this current image. We are going to replace this one as well. Okay, so now we are going to check here, refresh and view image. Here now see, the Rahul image is coming instead of Amit image. And if you will see the Amit profile, okay, so here we are going to check the image. So this is the image. So I'm going to update the image here, like that Amit image. I don't have that image, but this is the image. Okay, so let's see, update admin details, and here from here I am going to save this image here, save. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to put this image in another admin. See, this is the image of the super admin. Okay, so it is showing here, we have logged in with the super admin, that's why it is showing the image. So I want to put the same image in Amit Gupta profile here, that is as admin. So I am going to put this image here. So I'm going to update this one. So let's see, now it must show the Amit Gupta image. So now it is showing fine. And in case of Rahul, if you will go to Rahul profile, then it will show the Rahul image. Here you can see the Rahul image is coming. Okay, so now we can able to update the image as well. Now the final thing is, we need to check the password, that we can able to update the password, admin subadmin password as well. So like, I'm going to update the password for Rahul to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, submit it, it's done. Now I'm going to log in, and now I will try to log in with rahul@yahoo.com with the earlier password, that is 123456. So I'm going to try with this one. No, it is not allowing me to log in with the earlier password. Now I will try with the new password, rahul@yahoo.com, and the new password is 12345678. Now I'm going to try. See, now it allows me to logging into the admin panel with the Rahul account as well. Here you can see the Rahul name is coming. Okay, so now Rahul can check his own detail as well. He can update his own detail, but he can't update his password. Okay, so but he also can't access the admin subadmin panel as well. Okay, so now see, we able to do the admin subadmin, we able to do the add, edit, delete, view. Okay, and in from next video we are going to work on roles and permissions of the admin subadmin as well. Okay, so that we can give one role to one admin, or we can give the multiple roles to one admin. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in next video, so stay tuned for next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.